The following is a presentation of the Wildcat Sports Network.
Number 50, Fernando Vidal, and number 16, Santino Barr. Louisiana College is led by Coach.
The Wildcats float a ball into the middle here, and the Wildcats will score. Beautiful assist there, and the Wildcats will score on this opportunity. And we only like one goal to the box. He shoots one, and he scores! Torrejon! Beautiful shot by him. And he gets the equalizer, making the score now 2-2. Farkas scales one in, and Hernandez recovers it. Vidal gets it over to Franco. Franco, he'll try for a shot here, and it's good! Franco, he scales one in from beyond the 18, and he'll get Louisiana College's first win as an NCCAA program.